Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa spicy. To begin, understand that the key to a great spicy salsa lies in selecting the right ingredients and knowing how to use them effectively. We'll cover various peppers, techniques for boosting heat, and how to achieve a perfect balance. Get ready to transform your salsa from mild to magnificently fiery with these simple steps. Choosing your peppers is the first step to controlling the spice. Jalapenos are a popular choice, offering a pleasant warmth without overwhelming your palate. For a noticeable kick, serrano peppers are an excellent option, bringing a sharper heat. If you crave extreme spice, habaneros are your go-to, but remember, a little goes a long way with these fiery fruits. Always handle hot peppers with care. Beyond just the type of pepper, how you prepare them significantly impacts the heat. For a spicier salsa, don't remove all the seeds and membranes. That's where much of the capsaicin resides. Roasting peppers before blending can also deepen their flavor and increase their perceived heat. Additionally, a small amount of dried cayenne pepper or red chili flakes can provide an instant, potent boost to your salsa's spice level. Achieving the perfect balance is crucial. Always taste your salsa as you add spicy elements, allowing you to adjust gradually. If you find your salsa is too hot, don't despair. Adding a bit more acidic ingredients like fresh lime juice can help balance the flavors. A small amount of sugar or honey can also subtly mellow the heat, creating a more rounded and enjoyable spicy salsa experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.